Hi everyone, welcome back to another Civil Linens video. Today I'm showing you how to create a super quick and easy portable boxwood backdrop that's easy to transport. Let's begin!
Assembling a stunning 6x4 foot boxwood wall is super simple. First, I lay down 4 rows of 6 panels, ensuring a perfect fit. To secure them, I use 3 zip ties on each side, firmly fastening the panels together. Then I trim away any excess zip tie material. Once the panels are seamlessly assembled, I effortlessly attach them to our portable photo backdrop with additional zip ties. The versatility of this boxwood backdrop shines through as it can be easily rolled up and transported to your next event. Transform it with vibrant balloon garlands, captivating neon signs, or elegant marquee numbers, and let your creativity flourish. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos.